Managing your time is very difficult, especially when you are trying to balance along with your work, studies, or a social life. But it's very important to manage our time, to learn new things, to learn English. So, in this video, I'm gonna share some top tips that will help you to manage your time effectively along with your English learning journey. So, without further delay, let's get into the video. So, you have to make list whenever you get up in the morning, so your mind is clear that you have to do this thing, you have to do that thing, like all kind of stuff. Okay, so make list on all those stuff. Okay, and whenever you complete one task, then put a tick and you can also cross it. So trust me, it's a very satisfying feeling whenever you cut one by one all those stuff. So it will, it will encourage you. So if you try this list method, trust me, it will help you to be motivated. All time you feel motivated whenever you cross one point, whenever you cross another one, so you feel very positive at that time whenever you cross. After that, you have to make timetables also. To all people are what, why I have to make timetable like a kid? But trust me, it's very helpful and it's very easy method to memorize all stuff that we are going to do. So first of all, you make a timetable. Okay, and how to make it? So how to make a timetable? You have to mention per hour of a week, and you mention all points there according the hours. So it will help you to manage your time, it will help you to manage your hours. So you are able to decide that how much hours you have free time and how to use all the free time for your study, for your English learning. So you will easily find out your free time and you will utilize that time. Okay, after that you have to make small plan. Whenever you get up in the morning, you have to clear in your mind that you have to do this thing, you have to do that thing. Okay, your mind is very clear, your mind should be very clear about anything, that if you have to do that thing, so you have to do by anyhow. And whenever you make small plans on all those small tasks, so whenever you will achieve all plans, whenever you touch your goals, so it's also very satisfying and very happy feeling. So make small plans to small task, it will help you to manage your time and it will help you to motivate yourself. In all these methods, you will find that how much you have free time or how much you will take time to do anything for any particular task, that how much time you need to do anything. So what will gonna happen is, when you make list, when you make timetable, when you make small plans, so it will help you to manage your time and you will easily find that how much free time you have. So all the free time you will utilize for your study, you will use all the free time for your studies. So my point is that how you can utilize your precious time to learn new things, to learn English. So time is very very precious. Do not waste your time. Okay, learn new things, keep learning and keep growing. We'll meet you soon with next video. Bye bye.